What shape is this?
Circle.
A round shape with no corners or edges.
This one.
Square.
A shape with 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners, 90 degrees each.
What about this one?
Triangle.
A shape with 3 sides and 3 corners.
Can you guess this shape?
Rectangle.
A shape with 4 sides and 4 equal corners, opposite sides are equal.
Now try this.
Oval.
A stretched circle, also called an ellipse.
Let's see another one.
Pentagon.
A shape with 5 sides and 5 corners.
How about this?
Hexagon.
A shape with 6 sides and 6 corners.
Give a try for this.
Octagon.
A shape with 8 sides and 8 corners.
Guess this.
Diamond.
A tilted square with equal sides, but angle aren't 90 degrees.
What shape is this?
Heart.
A shape that looks like the leaves of a tree joined together at the top and pointed at the bottom.
This one.
Cube.
3D shape with 6 square faces.
Can you guess this shape?
Sphere.
A round 3D shape with no edges or corners, like a ball.
What about this one?
Cylinder.
3D shape with 2 circular faces and 1 curved side.
Let's see another one.
Cone.
3D shape with a circular base and a pointed top.
How about this?
Pyramid.
3D shape with a polygon base and triangular faces that meet at a point.
Now try this.
Star.
A shape with points that stick out, like the ones we see in the sky.
Give a try for this.
Crescent.
A shape that looks like a curved banana or the moon when it's small.
What shape is this?
Arrow.
A shape that shows you where to go or points to something.
What about this one?
Parallelogram.
A leaning rectangle with 4 sides, but it looks a bit tilted.
Last one.
Trapezoid.
A 4-sided shape with 1 pair of sides that are straight and parallel, but the other 2 are slanted.